All right, here we are Sunday morning, guys. Beautiful, no rain, beautiful sunny looking day. That could change in the moment of a split notice, but we are here and we are going to pick the flea market. All right, we got a person out here with hell stuff. They got hellish. Let's see if they got any good though. Where's all the good I'm gonna walk up in this beezy and just ask him, where's the good I don't plan on being here long, guys. Got lots to do today. Quick little pick. See what we can come up with. What's up, Daniel?
Ahí te veo. ¿Qué ponerme? Ahora estoy aquí, mira. Hasta la venera.
Ooh. Good morning.
Los blancos, sí. No, aquí nomás hay muchos ahí que también. Vamos ahorita ando a punto de darme verga con uno. Ahí está, pues.
Okay, guys, this was already not fun. I didn't expect this to be some great big day because yesterday was like this and then it rained. 15 minutes after I left, poured out of nowhere, and it was sunny like this. So that's what I'm anticipating today to be like as well. But we're gonna go through, run around, check a few things, and then go from there. That's exactly what she wanted.
Hello.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm all right. How much are these?
They are 25, but if you buy more than one, we bundle them.
And are these ones different? These ones that are without?
These ones are, yeah, these are noble. Make sure. What do they say with Fraser fur? Fraser fur. Fraser fur? These ones. The Fraser fur. And then these ones are the that word, Albertas.
All right.
Just as fur, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll have to wait till she messages
Okay.
back
And
to
then
see
we
what.
also have the rosemary right here in the middle.
All right. Thank you.
No
I'll be back. I'm thinking that's the only thing I can get for Jess. Well, I shouldn't say that. That's the one thing she wants, so I wish she would answer her phone so I can go and solidify the bag. That's what I'm wishing.
morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Cold, man. I just...
Yes, it is. Good morning. Ooh. Cold ass witches. Open up, open up, open up. Let's go. All right, I'm already again not digging this little cold day.
Look at the water around. Yeah, me too. Good luck.
I don't know what these are. Gore-Tex. I'm already over this. It's so cold, and I don't think we're gonna get any sudden rainstorms though. I'm peeking out here. I can see some clouds over there, some clouds over here. You do see some over there, but I guess it could come out of nowhere. I guess it could. Let's go.
Just bands of 45 or what? I was up on my mom's roof fucking.
All right, we just got the word from the missus. She wants those. She wants them, and she wants them now. I just gotta go get them and get up out of here. That's my thought process. Some Daytons right there. Those are nice. But it's looking pretty desolate here. Unflooded. Benjamin.
50 medium one. 130. Amigo. What? 130.
Astro Pop.
You hating?
I'm not. You can't pick what you're getting here. You got red, blue. Wait, where you at?
Purple, green.
Yeah. I'm out of here. It's too cold for me. Huh? Say what?
Nobody out here.
Why you park here?
What's the park?
There's a whole flea market open. This ain't the place to park.
I like it right here.
Mm-mm.
Well,
This is just a horrible spot.
where would you park?
Me? This is like all the areas where people don't walk down the aisles because they know everybody here sells the same stuff.
Park.
Me? Like, see where that yellow the space is? I would park right over there probably, in the middle of the aisle that goes between the two.
People walk down.
Mm-hmm. You notice there's nobody over here? It's because they're all selling caca. Who's with you? You're all by yourself. Look at you. You're gonna pretend to work. All right, got the missus or 2 trees. I'm freaking done with this morning flea market pick.